Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT. So first of all, go for your Google browser and search for ChatGPT. It is also this at openai.com, so go for it. After that you can see a page like this. If you don't have any account on ChatGPT, then go for in the sign up option. Then you can go for email address. After that you have to enter your password and go for continue. Another way you can go for continue with Google. You can log in with your Google account. You can continue with your Microsoft account and also continue with your Apple. So, or if you have already an account, then go for in this login option. So I have an account already. Then you can also see this option here. So I'm going for this continue with Google. Then go for your Google or email account. Okay, so I have already logged in this page. So after logged in, you can see a page like this. uh, in this page you can ask for anything and it will answer you. Then you can go for share this chat link to your friends or anywhere, and you can copy the link and also share it. So after that you can again go for chat here. Oh, okay. So yeah, you can see. So after that you can go for in this tree line option, and you can see all of your history here. You can delete it from here now. So in this pen option you can edit this uh, caption or whatever you said it. You can change it from here, and you can add a new chat. You can add a new chat from here. You can also add a new chat from this plus option. From this plus option you can add a new chat. So in this upgrade to plus option you can see this is the GPT-4 category. You can go for this GPT-4 or plus option. Go for upgrade to plus, and after that you can enter your card information and your information, your full name on card, all these things you have to fill it and check it. Then you have to just go for subscribe. So this cut of your USD 20 USD dollar per month. You can see all of these details from this view details option. And so yeah, then go for back, and in this three dot option if I go it, you can log out from here. And in the settings option if you go it, then in the system or theme option you can make it dark mode or light mode system, which is also the light mode. You can clear all the chat history. Okay, You can clear all the chat history from here. So if you go for this data control, you can see this is on, turn on. You can turn it off from here, or you can turn it so it refresh it when you are turn on or off it. uh, then in this shared link you can see all of your shared links by anyone. So I don't have any shared link here. In this export option you can export all of your data from here. You can see, then you can delete your account, your ChatGPT account from here. So I'm also not going to do this. Then in this help and FAQ option, you can take help, any kind of help from here. If you go this, what is ChatGPT, and it tells you all the things from here, so you can get help from here. Also, if you search for here, okay, you can change your languages from here, which is default by English now. Okay, if I go for back, then in this custom instruction you can make your own instruction from here. So I'm going back with this. So yeah, after that, if you go for in this GPT-4, which is also the things which is here in this upgrade to plus, this is also here, which is GPT-4. You go for it, then you can also do this from here. So yeah, that's all. This is how you can use ChatGPT. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.